Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder, my brother? In this video, my brother, I will tell you something very special news and updates about Bittorrent coin, my brother. BTT is one of the fastest cryptocurrency in a crypto market, and especially in those days, all currencies is going to be very good now. But my friends, Bittorrent absolutely something very special and very unique from others now. My brother, Bittorrent price will fails down, price will decreasing because, my brother, as you can see here, absolutely all currencies were fails down in those days. So therefore, my brother, you can see here minus 16.38% the price will fails down. So kindly holder, if you want to get a profit in a very short time, you will need my brothers to buy these now. In upcoming time there is 100% chance in my brother, because experts says to in upcoming time there is a chance to Bitcoin price will be going in double now, and they make you millionaire now. So absolutely this is possible now. I hope they will do this. And please holder, what's your opinion, what's your expectation from this? Kindly share it in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.